wish I had pumpkin pie, but in a cup. I wonder if anybody could make that for me. I wish I had a friend. I wish I had a friend that could make that for me. Maybe Tim. Maybe Tim would make that for me.
Hello there! Today we are making pumpkin pie in a cup, no bake. And I have our ingredients right in front of me. You will need graham crackers, pure pumpkin pie spice, yum. Ooh, ready whipped cream, and vanilla pudding. Our supplies are a can opener. You'll need at least 2 spoons, a plastic bag, a plastic cup, and a rolling pin. Let's get started. All right, first step. Gonna open up my graham cracker box. I need 1 graham cracker sheet. Put that back in the box. Going to put my graham cracker sheet in my Ziploc bag. Close it. Now I'm going to need to smash it. I'm too tired to smash. I need someone to smash this for me. I know. Hang on a second.
Mr. Tim, I know how to help you. Take your rolling pin and crush your graham cracker. But now I don't know what to do next.
Thanks, Miss Fisher. All right. So the next step is we put our graham cracker crust in the bottom of our cup. Then we're going to use our vanilla pudding as the next layer. I don't need help with this one because I love pudding. One container. Pudding. I love pudding. Do you like pudding? Everybody loves pudding. All right. So, oh, look at this. Next layer, pudding. Look at that. We got our graham cracker, and now we have our pudding. Next step, no one's watching. Lick the lid. That's a good pudding. I'm going to open up our pure pumpkin. I know, hang on.
Tim, I got you. You look at the points and put it on top of the can until it clamps, and then you twist. Once your can is open, you're going to put 2 spoonfuls in your cup. 1, 2, and spread it out. Next, you're going to put Ready Whip on top. I can't get it. I need some help.
All right. Ready Whip, I got this. First, you got to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Then take off the top. Shake it. Oh. Now, add, Ready Whip. Should we add some more? Yes. Should we add some more? Yes. Should we add some more? Yes. Finally, we're gonna add pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, hey, use cinnamon. It all tastes great. Make sure. A couple sprinkles. Doo, 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 doo. Now that is a beautiful dessert. Wait a minute. I'm missing a spoon. I need a spoon. I don't have a spoon. Okay, hang on.
Wow. Shh, don't tell Tim. I took his spoon. Now we're gonna eat it. Shh. Mmm. This tastes like pumpkin pie.
Throw away trash. Wash your dishes. Let's review. What did they wear to protect their clothes? A. Bib. B. Apron. C. Napkin. The correct answer is apron. What type of pudding was used? A. Vanilla. B. Chocolate. Or C. Mint. The correct answer is vanilla. What was used to crush the graham crackers? A. Rolling pin. B. Spoon. C. Knife. The correct answer is rolling pin. What was used to open the can? A. Spoon. B. Can opener. C. Knife. The correct answer is can opener. What seasoning was used? A. Salt. B. Garlic. C. Pumpkin pie spice. The correct answer is pumpkin pie spice.